Now, folks, look at SharperTrades. The market remains above the 80 That's a positive trend, a bullish trend with some indecisions. 3 days in a row, we're waiting for the Feds to make public how much they're going to change the interest rate. Expect a 50 base point. So if it's within the range, no problem. What's to be expected. If it's greater than that, market will go up. If it's more than that, market will go down. So we'll see how it comes out. 80 remains the support below that 555 and the 50 simple moving average. Resistance moving forward 579 and 586. AMCS, this one we discussed the past couple of weeks. Today breakout of the 50 simple moving average and the recent high at 2360. Swing idea, good volume. Today rally to almost 25, 22. Indeed, a pullback. Targets are 26, 27, 29, 32. Very volatile. Support is after today candle and today low. Baba, Chinese companies on the move with dark pool activity today, 2.1 million at 89. If it breaks above 91, this is bullish. The technical are bullish at the moment, but we'll have to wait for the breakout, which is 91, track to the high. 94, 98, and 103 are the targets. MSTR, macro strategies. This company deals with Bitcoin and is so crypto related. The technicals are bullish. It's back above the 50 SMA. It's a potential breakout. I like the current move. 161, 191, and 228 are the targets. Support is 135, and this low at 128. And finally, Zoom, also swing, has been built in a base after the breakout pullback retest. On the move up, I like seeing that. First target is 71, above that 75, 79. Support is the same, 66 and 64. Discover an incredible opportunity, mastering the trading game. Triple book bundle, your pathway to trading mastery. Hi there, I'm Luca Moschini and I'm excited to share this amazing offer with you. Stick around for this irresistible deal. But first, let's see what's inside the bundle. In this bundle, you'll get 3 powerful books. Trade Like a Pro with Japanese candlesticks, master candlestick pattern for precise trading. Secrets of Trading Revealed, learn to trade with smart money, but gaining insider trading insights. And 10 most powerful and effective rules of trading. These are my golden trading principles. Get all this knowledge for just $9.99. And even if you're not into books, don't worry, I got a surprise for you. I'll throw one of my courses, one of my technical courses in this bundle. That's right, for just $9.99, you'll get the Mastering the Trading Game bundle and a course valued up to $100. Just click the link to grab the books and the course. It's a deal you can't beat. This book is a resource I'm passionate about. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link, you won't regret it. Mastering the Trading Game, your gateway to trading success. Click the link now and seize this incredible offer. Your trading journey starts here. See you inside.